All right, everybody, thanks so very much for coming back to this particular video. This is our video series that we have done on Morningfame. And in this video, we're going to be talking about analyzing your video's performance with Morningfame. Now, you guys know that I typically try to focus in on three major areas inside of my videos. And so what we're going to do is we're going to give you another brief little overview of the analytics feature. We're going to also talk about some of the key metrics or metrics, view time, engagement rate, etc. And then we're going to talk about using that data to help you or inform you about making future content or videos or whatever you choose to do on your particular channel, right? And so let's go over to the computer, let's take a look at it, and let's see what we can do when it comes to your video analytics and analyzing your video performance. All right, now when you're analyzing your video's performance, as I said in our original video when we kind of went through some of this, this is going to give you an indication of how your channel is doing and how you're growing your brand, your business, etc. And I love this tool because this tool just gives you a really good breakdown. If you're sort of confused with the Google Analytics, and don't get me wrong, I do recommend that you should learn, study, and grow when it comes to the YouTube analytics inside of YouTube. But I love this tool because it sort of makes things a whole lot simpler, and that even a kid can understand how to work with this. Okay, so this is going to give you all of your videos. If you go here, it's going to give you your live replays and your premieres. Okay, and it's also going to give you your recorded videos as well. All right, so let's go here. So we're going to look at all videos for a second, and then you're going to come down here and you're going to see this. It's going to give you some options here. It's going to show you how your video is doing. Okay, now it's going to show you the impact on your channel growth. It's going to show you how many views you've gotten, the average view duration, your comments, your likes, etc., etc. All right. Now it's also I did a Morningfame review and demo here, so it's going to show you how many views that video got, how many subscribers were gained from that. And so it's breaking that all down for you so that way you understand that as well. All right, and so I want to go down to one of these other videos here. This is a tutorial that I did on MakerSuite. The more of these that you see across the board, the better it's going to be for your channel. Now, if you look here, it's going to say long average view duration, right? The average view duration for this video is 5 minutes and 32 seconds, okay? So that's an excellent job for a retention rate for holding on to an individual's attention. So that's very, very good when it comes to, making tutorials and things like that. So you want to make sure that you are looking at these metrics and understanding. Now, if you want to look at a full stat of the video, you can open up the video here and you can look at a full stat. It's going to tell you your views in the last 7 days. It's going to tell you the views by subscribers. It's going to tell you the views by the visitors, right? It's going to also tell you the average view duration. 5 minutes and 32 seconds. It's going to tell you by subscribers currently, and it's going to tell you by visitors. The average percentage viewed, 20%, so it's going to tell you that as well. The watch time minutes that were gained, so it's also going to tell you the watch time by subscribers and by visitors. So look at the difference between the subscribers by visitors. A lot of content creators are only focused in on subscribers, when the majority of the watch time and the views, a lot of times that you get on your channel are going to be from visitors. And it really just depends on the type of channel that you have or the niche that you're in. So keep that in mind as well. You've got your likes and you've also got your dislikes, as well as your comments and your shares. This video was shared about 7 times by subscribers 5 and by visitors 2. So it got some shares and some subscribes on there as well. And so you can do a full breakdown and take a look at that. Now, if you wanted to go into the full list here, you could look at what it is as far as your views are concerned, as far as suggested videos, as well as the home screen, right? So it's going to show you that, and it's also going to show you how the majority of where your searches are coming from. This is YouTube and this is Google. And this is one of the reasons why I say Google is really important as well, because if you're optimizing your videos for Google as well, you're going to benefit a whole lot more than just the basic YouTube search. You want to do Google as well as YouTube to make sure that you are getting the most out of your views there. So let's understand some of the key metrics here. So we're going to talk about the average view duration here. As you see, it's 5 minutes and 32 seconds. The importance of this is for retention rate, as well as so when it starts to rank in the algorithm's going to say, hey, more people are paying attention to this video and watching this video longer, so maybe we should rank this video a little bit higher. And so a lot of times you will find that your videos, the longer the individual watches, the more views a particular video will get, and that will help you in the long run when it comes to your channel, okay? As well as your likes. All of this stuff is going to help you. It's going to help make up the whole pie of a successful video. And you will see that videos that look like this on my channel typically have a very higher view rate or average view duration. So the average view duration and the average time that these people are watching tends to kind of coincide and go hand in hand with each other. I'm going to find you another one. If you look down here at this particular video, this video got 685 views, and the average view duration was 4 minutes and 37 seconds, okay? And it had it had over 9 comments and subscribers. We gained about 13 subscribers with this particular video. So here's the thing that I want you to remember. It's not necessarily always about gaining subscribers. It's always about making a good video. So if individuals like the video and they like the information that's being presented, all of those other things will come along with the video. So focus in on the most important thing, and that's really keeping the attention of the viewer and making sure that people are learning something when they come to your channel. And if you're learning something from this channel, why don't you hit the subscribe button now and make sure that you hit the bell notification so that anytime I come out with a new video, you'll be notified and you won't miss a daggone video. All right, now let's move on. All right, now you'll see some of these other videos did okay, but you will see. Now, what I love about this tool too is it will tell you if a particular video is helping your channel or hurting your channel. It will tell you whether or not this is slowing down your channel or growing. Now, because this is a review channel, I don't really so much focus in on this part because this is just a review channel for that particular product. And some products win, some products don't. And so you will see that. But for the majority of my videos, you will see you got a lot of these little gold medals. And you will see that for the most part, the impact on the channel growth, there's always a check mark there. And that's one of the reasons why you want to optimize your titles, your tags, your descriptions, because of course that's going to help you. All right. Now, here's how this is going to help you dictate your future content strategy. Okay. If you see that a video is working really well, you can possibly make additional videos about that particular subject matter, or make a series of videos about that particular subject matter if that's something that you think that you're good at or that you have the ability to do. And that, of course, will help those subscribers gain a lot more knowledge and they'll be able to grow. So those are sort of the 3 things that I wanted to focus in on this particular video. When you're analyzing your video performance inside of Morningfame, you want to make sure that you're focusing on those areas. You want to know your analytics feature. You want to understand the key matrix, which is the view time, the engagement rate, etc. And you want to make sure that you understand those things so that you can plan out your future content strategy. Okay, guys? Now, if you're watching this video and you don't have a subscription to Morningfame, there'll be a link for you in the description below. It'll give you a full 30-day trial so you could try it out free for 30 days. And you could possibly come back and follow along with all of my tutorials, and that'll help you learn the software even more. Hey guys, make sure that you hit the subscribe button, make sure that you hit the link that's in the description below, and make sure that you hit that bell notification so you don't miss any of my tutorials or videos. And I'll see you guys in the very next video.